Alright, everyone, it is showtime, so be mindful of those closing doors behind you.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song. Absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Oh.
Now we're riding down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, but okay, Goofy.
Thanks. You'll be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Good luck.
Whoa, there's a big hole in the screen. That was a very cool effect.
We're gonna go in the movie theater. Look at that. Yeah, look how
That was pretty
special
cool.
this is.
How they made the screen pop open. That was really neat.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Bill.
You're taking good care of our friends.
So just press all the buttons and see what happens. If you don't have any other plans, well, hey, niggers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm
What's this lever do?